Don't buy the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. The Air Jordan 1 Heritage released already overseas. They sat overseas. And on May 25th, this sneaker is going to release here in the United States. Retail is $170 on men's, $130 on grade school. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, this Air Jordan 1 is not gonna have much resale value at all. Overseas, this sneaker sat on Nike sneakers in store. That Jordan 1 Heritage is sitting overseas, and in the United States, I think they'll sell out, but I think there'll be a lot of pairs, easy to get your hands on, and not much resale value at all. Now, will the Air Jordan 1 Heritage go up in price? I think eventually, but they're not going to be worth holding. Right now, resales at around $200, $210. I don't see them going up in price at all for quite some time. The Air Jordan 1 market is down. The Jordan 1 Heritage really shows that the Air Jordan 1 market is down when resale is already before release at around $200. So the Jordan 1 Heritage is a personal pair only. Only cop them for the personal. I don't recommend investing in these. I think they will take way too long to go up in price. Like I said, the market is really down. They might climb their way up in price eventually, but I don't think it's going to be worth your time, your money. I just think the Jordan 1 Heritage is just going to take way too long to go up in price in today's current market. If the Air Jordan 1 Heritage is a must cop for you, let me know down below in the comments. Put a bunch of fire emojis. If the Air Jordan 1 Heritage is straight trash and an easy pass for you, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who wants to cop the Jordan 1 Heritage and who does not. Free Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in Air Jordan 1. This giveaway is going to be a mystery pair of Air Jordan 1s that the winner and you guys will see in an upcoming video when the giveaway is over. This giveaway ends in the beginning of May, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size to enter the free Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Click my link down below in the description and use the code DannyMoore to receive 40% off your order from SoulPremise.com. SoulPremise has the best sneaker bags in the game. Every bag is made to hold your sneakers. There's actually compartments made to store your sneakers when you're traveling. This right here is the daily bag. It holds 2 pairs of sneakers, my laptop, clothes, a bunch of daily essentials can fit in my bag for each and every day. I love this Soul Premise bag. It's straight fire. They also have duffel bags, bigger backpacks to hold even more shoes. They also have luggages and all different types of bags, backpacks, all different types of bags for your sneakers when you're traveling. You guys are gonna find a bag you're gonna fall in love with the link down below in the description, and make sure you use my discount code DannyMoore for 40% off your order. Thank you Soul Premise for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. The Jordan 1 Heritage comes in your Jordan 1 box with white and red instead of the black and red. I grabbed an 11.5. As you guys can see, I grabbed them overseas because this sneaker has released overseas already. The Air Jordan 1 Heritage, in my opinion, is fire. Straight fire. I think this is a very clean colorway of the Air Jordan 1. Quality is nice on this Air Jordan 1. The red leather is very soft and tumbled. You have white smooth leather on this Air Jordan 1, which is really dope. And what I really like about this sneaker that I think a lot of people are missing out on and not realizing is that the Air Jordan 1 Heritage is actually a white version of the Jordan 1 bread. Everywhere there's black on the Jordan 1 bread, there's white on the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. This is the 2016 bread one, and obviously the reds are different. You have a much brighter shade of red here on the Heritage, but everywhere on this sneaker that there's black on the bread, there's white on the Heritage. That is straight fire. So the Air Jordan 1 Heritage is a white bread. Of course, it's also the reverse of the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 High. Wherever there's blue on the Travis Scott Fragment High, there's red on the Heritage. Red Air Jordan 1 outsole, white midsole, white leather, red leather, very nice quality. This is a dope Air Jordan 1, red on the back. Black laces come on the sneaker. You do get white and red as well. I would probably wear these with the white laces, and on the bottom, I would put Drip Grip Sole Protectors, the best sole protectors on the market. You guys can check out Drip Grip Sole Protectors with the link down below in the description and use my discount code DANNY10 to receive 10% off your order. No slippage, no tearage with Drip Grip sole protectors. Make sure you guys check them out. Link is down below. If you like the Air Jordan 1 Heritage, buy them, wear them, enjoy them. That's what I'm gonna do. I think this is a very clean personal pickup. I'm gonna wear the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. I think these are straight fire, a definitely clean, a very nice Air Jordan 1 to add to my Air Jordan 1 collection. Speaking about Air Jordan 1 collection, if you guys want to see my Air Jordan 1 collection video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If you guys can get this video up to 1,500 likes, that's a lot of likes, then I'll go ahead and drop my Air Jordan 1 collection video. Make sure you guys smash that like button. So I'm excited to rock these. I think if you like them, you should be excited for this Air Jordan 1 release as well. The Air Jordan 1 Heritage is reselling for around $200, $210, and they have not released in the United States yet. So I don't think there's gonna be much profit on this sneaker when you're paying retail tax, shipping. I don't think there's gonna be much profit on the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Lunch money at best. Now, will this sneaker go up in price? I think eventually, potentially, yes, but I don't think they're gonna be worth holding. I think it's gonna take way too long. Let me explain. On the market right now, we currently have the Air Jordan 1 patent bred going for roughly $260 to $280, $300, depending on the size. That Jordan 1 Heritage is not gonna see $280 to $300. Right now, they're at around $200. They haven't released. The Air Jordan 1 market is down. We all know it. The entire sneaker market is down right now. I think it comes down to timing on this release, and I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of pairs. Like I said, these sat overseas. So I don't think this is going to be a Jordan 1 you're going to actually want to hold on to, believe it or not. Even though it's white, black, and red, I just don't see this Air Jordan 1 being worth your time right now. Eventually, one day, maybe in 2 years, potentially going up in price, but I don't see the Heritage really going up in price in the next really year. This is just my opinion. I could be completely wrong. I just want to say that. But I personally just don't see the Jordan 1 Heritage really going up in price this year at all. If you would like to long hold, you can, but I think there's much better Air Jordan 1 investments and much better sneaker investments out there than the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Don't buy the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Don't buy the Air Jordan 1 Heritage for resale, for profit, quick little profit, move on to the next release, and I do not recommend holding the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Usually when we get a reverse colorway of a Jordan, it doesn't hit nearly as hard on the resale market. In this case, we have the reverse of the Bred or the Travis Scott Fragment High. The latest version of the Bred, the Air Jordan 1 patent Bred, is going from $260 to $300 on the market. That shows that the Jordan 1 Heritage is not gonna go for those prices, and I think they're gonna take way too long to ever hit that price. When the Air Jordan 1 market is down like it is right now, I just think this Air Jordan 1 is gonna get slept on, and there's not gonna be a lot of profit on this Air Jordan 1, and they're just gonna take way too long to ever really go up in price where they'll be worth your time, money, and investment. If the Jordan 1 Heritage released last year, I think there'd be a lot more hype and a lot more resale value on this Air Jordan 1. Hype, the demand, the market on Air Jordan 1s is really coming down, and the Air Jordan 1 Heritage really shows that. I want to show you guys this brand called AirFit. They make really high quality clothing. They hit me up and wanted to send over some tees. I had to show you guys. So this right here is their cream wants tee. Very, very nice. Fits true to size. Very nice material, and it's gonna fit a lot of shoes. Cream, I really like that color. AirFit also sent over some shorts. They have wants right there at the bottom, which is very nice. Nice quality shorts. Fits true to size. They also have some accessories as well. They also have bracelets just like this and tons of others. There's a ton of selection on their website, a ton of clothing options. I'm gonna have a link down below. Make sure you guys check out AirFit. If you're looking for a cream tee, I definitely recommend this. This is very, very nice. Good quality and gonna match a lot of fits. Make sure you guys check out AirFit. The link's down below. They're gonna have a ton of clothes to match your sneakers. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to 1,500 likes so I can film my Air Jordan 1 collection for you guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you agree with me or do you disagree with me on resale on the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Do you think this is a good hold? Do you think they're gonna skyrocket in price? Do you think that this sneaker is just gonna go for around retail? Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a mystery pair of Air Jordan 1s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.